So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover the important things which you need to know about the Arcade Facilitator program. And first of all, as you know, the Arcade Facilitator program started on 1st of June and will be ending today, that is 2nd of June. So the important thing is that a lot of you guys were asking that how to confirm that you are whether enrolled in the program or whether you have subscribed to Arcade or not. So this video is about that, and I will make another video for the sheet. You can check out the description. If you haven't completed any skill badges, you can check the description for it and complete it. Also, I will share the playlist link, you can watch it. Now here, let me show you how you can confirm that you are enrolled in the program. So this is the form you must have filled while registering in the program. You can just search your mailbox, type enrolled and select this. If you are able to see this form, that means you have filled the form in the Arcade Facilitator program. This does not mean that you are enrolled. This is only for getting the details like which code you have used for your facilitator. You can check it out. So for this you have to just search it on your search box, and let me show you these two mails you will get. One is form and one is enrollment confirmation. So this is mail for that you have you have filled the form for the Arcade program, and this mail means you are enrolled in the program. That means you are eligible for the bonus points if you have completed any labs and games in this cohort from 1st of April to 2nd of June. So this one is for just registration form, and this is registration confirmation. I hope it clears your doubt. This email if you have, that means you are enrolled in the program. Now a lot of you guys were asking that how you can confirm it. So this is the way you can confirm it. And apart from these, we are getting progress reports too. So if you have completed anything, as you can see, this is the home page of the Arcade program. And a lot of you guys were asking about this, that I will find the skill badges and lab free courses. For that I have just now shared that the milestones sheet is present in the skill badge. Skill badge sheet is present in the description. Now here the milestone 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are the milestone. You have to complete the requirement skill badges. Now another thing is that you must need to subscribe to Arcade to be eligible for these prizes. As you can see, the prize requires points, and these points you can earn by doing Arcade games. Suppose you want to do game, but as you know, the game will be ending on 2nd of June, so you have very less time. So complete these games. For joining these games, you have to just go to the Arcade homepage, copy the access code and join the game. I have shared it multiple times. You can check the playlist for it. So these are the level games, and currently we have 9 Arcade points and you can complete it. Now another thing is that subscription. To be eligible for prize, you need to subscribe to Arcade. You need to copy this email carefully and just paste over here. Now next, and here basically you have to just yes and then submit it. So this means you are subscribed to Arcade. So if you are not receiving this Arcade insider email, the reason is that you are not subscribed to Arcade. So you will get this email response. This email response means you are subscribed to Arcade, but you won't get any confirmation email apart from this. Suppose you have subscribed now in June, you will be getting the mail in July. So if you don't get mail, you can confirm it with Qwiklabs support, and this is the Arcade insider email which you will be getting. If you are not getting, you must subscribe like I did in the previously I have shared, in this video only, just now I have shared. So let me show you the channel. So this is the channel. You can watch the skill badges, trivias and swag drops. You can watch these videos. If you face any issue, do let me know in the comments. Here are the swag drops unboxing videos. You can check it out. GNI, why hoodie was replaced, and if you want to know about how you can earn these 9 points till now, you can watch this video For more details, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day.